Jungle Scrumble, written by Kirstie Watson, illustrated by Tilia Bell. Early one morning, the animals of the jungle were awoken by some awfully loud singing. Jungle scrumble for my tummy, jungle scrumble's very yummy, but I just need a jungle mouse to come for dinner at my house. Then I'll munch, slurp, gobble and burp, jungle scrumble, jungle scrumble. It's Panther, said Monkey. She's after Jungle Mouse again. Come on, let's go and see what she's up to. The animals crept closer so they could listen in to Panther's plan. Yes, I'm going to make Jungle Scrumble, a delicious mix of my favorite things to eat. And today I'll be adding a special ingredient, Jungle Mouse. But how to catch her? Wait, I've got it. I'll invite her over to eat. Genius! She said with a chuckle. Panther started to write. Dearest Jungle Mouse, you are invited to join me for dinner this evening. I hope you can make it. It wouldn't be the same without you. From Panther. Then she posted the invitation, feeling very pleased with herself. Said Elephant. I think it's time we put an end to Panther's dinner plans. Our friend Jungle Mouse is going to be off the menu. The other animals agreed, and together they began to hatch their own plan. Once the plan was decided, Monkey went in first. Hello, Panther. What are you up to? She asked. Oh, hi, Monkey, said Panther. I've invited Jungle Mouse over to eat. To eat together, so I'm making Jungle Scrumble. Lovely, Monkey said quickly. You should add some nice rubbery banana skins. Well, no, I don't like. But before Panther could stop her, Monkey tossed in some banana skins, then swung off into the trees. Panther did not like banana skins, but they were soon forgotten as she returned to her dinner plans. Jungle Scrumble for my tummy, Jungle Scrumble's very yummy, but I just need a Jungle Mouse to come for dinner at my house. Then I'll munch, slurp, gobble and burp, Jungle Scrumble, Jungle Scrumble. Elephant went in next. Hi, Panther. What are you doing? He asked. I'm having Jungle Mouse for dinner. Sorry, Jungle Mouse is coming over for dinner. So I'm making Jungle Scrumble. It's lovely. Why not add some nice leaves? It's important to eat plenty of green things, isn't it? Said Elephant before Panther could finish. I don't think... But before Panther could stop him, Elephant sprinkled in some leaves. Enjoy your dinner, said Elephant. Panther did not like leaves, but it was too late now, so she just stirred them in. Jungle Scrumble for my tummy, Jungle Scrumble's very yummy, but I just need a Jungle Mouse to come for dinner at my house. Then I'll munch, slurp, gobble and burp, Jungle Scrumble, Jungle Scrumble. Hippo was up next. Wow, Panther, what's going on here? He asked. I'm going to eat Jungle Mouse. Sorry, I'm going to eat with Jungle Mouse. So I'm making Jungle Scrumble. Panther started to explain. Great, you should put in some mud, Hippo suggested. It'll add a nice earthy taste. Panther wasn't sure about the mud, but it was too late. Hippo had already splashed some into the pot. It's going to be perfect. Just wait and see, said Hippo. Oh, yes it is, agreed Panther, forgetting all about the mud. Ha ha! Those animals have no idea what I'm planning for their friend. Jungle Scrumble for my tummy, Jungle Scrumble's very yummy, but I just need a Jungle Mouse to come for dinner at my house. Then I'll munch, slurp, gobble and burp, Jungle Scrumble, Jungle Scrumble. Last up was Jungle Mouse. Hello, Panther. I'm ready to eat, she said. Not quite, whispered Panther. Pardon? Said Jungle Mouse. Oh, nothing. Panther grinned. I'm glad you're here. You're just in time. Come and help me stir the pot. It's almost ready. It just needs one more thing. Suddenly, the other animals appeared. "Oh, what are you doing here?" asked Panther. "You weren't invited." "Your scrumble looks delicious," said Elephant. "Have you tried it yet, Panther?" "Well, no, I was waiting for Jungle Mouse," Panther replied. "Nonsense! Try some," Monkey insisted, spooning some into Panther's mouth. Panther gulped. The banana skins were horribly rubbery. The green leaves were terribly bitter. The mud was awfully sloppy. And altogether it tasted yuck! Panther was utterly horrified by the disgusting mixture. She spat and spluttered and ran off into the night. "That will teach Panther a lesson she'll never forget," said Monkey. Their plan had worked. Jungle Mouse was now officially off the menu. And so the animals danced and sang together in celebration. "Jungle Scrumble's very yucky. Jungle Mouse is very lucky. Together we have saved the day, and Panther's gone and ran away. Yucky, chewy, crunchy, spewy. Jungle Scrumble, Jungle Scrumble." Thanks for reading with me today. See you next time. Bye.